Hi, this is Adrian from White Hat Box, and I'm going to show you the new multi-level scraper. Now this works in the same way as the multi-level control. It works basically like that. And if you want in-depth explanation of how and why we need multi-level operations, please check the multi-level control demo. Multi-level control. Okay, so let's go ahead with the scraper. The problem, here's a search result from Google, lose weight, and the problem is scraping these search engine results because it's telling the bot to scrape exactly the right thing. It's finding the controls that's the problem. It's quite a complicated operation, but BotChief makes it easy. And let's see how we can go about it. So let's put a scraper in there. And you need the advanced scrape, and then we click scrape some text as opposed to scraping one, so it's scraping multiple texts. So now we need to choose a variable. This is the variable that I created in the new variable demo. It's just a 3-column variable, and so we want the first column filling in that, which is the title. So now we go to select the control. And when we try and select it and click the find the HTML item, it doesn't find it. It's got one possible advanced seek condition that we can add. Let's click find HTML again. And it doesn't find it, and it says it can't, and it tells you that it can't find anything using those conditions. So this is the problem. How to locate the title, the URL, and the description, and put it into a variable for the entire page. So what we need to do is select a control again, and really it's this box here that we want to select, because that is level 1 and all the other controls are inside that. So it's got to find level 1 first before it can find anything else. So we selected that control. Now I'll tell it to find HTML item, and it's found the box. That's good. And because we want to select the entire page, we're going to tell it to scrape all similar controls. So I'll give that a save. And now we're going to move on to level 2. And select the control, because now we're in level 1, which is the large box. Now it knows where this is going to be. The title. So let's find the HTML and see what happens. Right, now it's found it because it went to level 1 first. So you've got to go to level 1 first before you can get into level 2 and scrape these results. Now we can give it a quick test, because what we're telling it properties it needs to scrape is the outer HTML and to strip the HTML out of it. So we can do a quick test and see what it would scrape into the variable. There it goes. Oh, that's beautiful. That's exactly what we want, isn't it? So that is what would go into the variable. So we can click save and move on to the next item that we want to scrape, which would be this URL here. That's in the next column of the variable, URL. Now when you choose the next column, it automatically goes back to level 1. Everything gets zeroed, so we want to have these selected again because we want it to scrape the whole page. So level 1. We're going for exactly the same first area, because the URL is inside that area. Find HTML. There's the nice green box, and we'll save that. And now let's go to level 2, which is stuff that's inside that box, which is what we're after, and select a control. This time it's the URL. There we go. Now let's see if we can find the HTML. And it's found it. That's good. Shall we give it a test and see what it would scrape into the variable? There we are, that's great. That's exactly what we're after. So we'll save that. And now we can go for the final column of the variable, the snippet. Remember, when we choose new column, it goes back to default settings, level 1. I want it to scrape all the similar controls. So let's select the control, same control again, because it's still this first area. Find the HTML item. There it is, it's found it. And we'll save that. And now we're going to go to the second level, because we want to get that description, the snippet. So let's select the control. There we go. Selected. Find it. Yes, that's it. It's the green box. And I think we can test that too. Let's see if it would scrape what we're after. Yes, there it is. That's the exact snippet. That's looking good. We can save that. And because we had this selection every time, scrape all similar controls, now it should scrape the entire page of those. So it should scrape every title, every URL, and every description into the variable. And I'm going to show you another cute little function, show variable. So after it's scraped, after it's done all its operations, you can get it to actually flash the variable up on the screen so that you can check it. All you've got to do is choose the variable you want, save, and now we can run the bot. So we're running it and it's going to go straight to the search page, which has got lose weight on it. And now it's scraping all the results. Now, because it's a full page and there's about 30 results it's got to scrape, it's going to take about 30 seconds. So I will pause the video and then we'll come back when it's scraped. Well, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It scraped the entire page. It's got exactly what we want. Look. Exactly what we told it to scrape. And apart from this one, which is images, of course. And the show variable function is working beautifully. So there you are. That's how you use the multi-level scraper in BotChief. It's going to help you to write much more powerful bots now, because you can scrape entire pages and entire results. The possibilities are endless. Happy scraping. Thanks for watching.